Imagine a world teetering on the brink of a catastrophic change, where the actions of one species determine the fate of countless others. This is the reality of The Sixth Extinction by Elizabeth Kolbert, where human activity propels a crisis unseen in millions of years. Our planet has witnessed 5 major extinction events, but none quite like the 6th. Human actions, industrialization, deforestation, pollution, have accelerated the extinction rate, endangering countless species and disrupting delicate ecosystems. Elizabeth Kolbert's narrative unveils this harsh reality, compelling us to confront our role in this unfolding ecological crisis. Historically, extinctions have unfolded over millennia, but today's rate is unprecedented. The 6th extinction details how, unlike past natural events, the current crisis is predominantly driven by one species, us. Through our daily actions, we're not just participants. We're the architects of this accelerated extinction phase, shaping a future where the loss of biodiversity could mirror the past's great die-offs. The book dives deep into the dire consequences of our modern lifestyle. Our vast transportation networks and relentless industrial activities have not only led to habitat destruction, but have also facilitated a deadly exchange of species across continents, disrupting native ecosystems. Kolbert explains the causes behind the 6th extinction, like losing habitats and climate change. These reasons are all connected, showing how losing biodiversity is a big, intertwined problem. It's really important for us to tackle these issues together. Humans have influenced extinctions long before the industrial age. Our expansion and hunting practices have historically shaped the planet's biodiversity, setting the stage for today's ecological challenges. In The 6th Extinction, Elizabeth Kolbert not only chronicles the causes and consequences of this ecological crisis, but also prompts a call to action. She suggests that awareness, innovation, and collective effort can steer us away from the brink. How do you think you can contribute to a sustainable future? Imagine a future where the 6th extinction is not a foregone conclusion, but a turning point. Elizabeth Kolbert's book urges us to envision and work towards a world where human ingenuity and conservation efforts revive our planet. Our actions today will define the legacy we leave, emphasizing the importance of shaping a sustainable future. To conclude, the 6th extinction is more than a warning. It's a blueprint for change. Key takeaways include recognizing our role in this crisis and understanding the power of our actions. Whether it's reducing waste, supporting conservation, or educating others, every step counts. Let's unite in turning knowledge into action and steer our planet toward a brighter, more sustainable future.